friend got hit by a car the other day, and you may not think that's funny, but it is due to how he reacted. Because he was riding a bicycle going super fast, but when he rode across an intersection, a car that was turning right didn't see him because of his speed and accidentally hit him. But the part that makes it funny is he broke his wrist, so I asked how bad it hurt when it happened, and he was like, honestly, I was in pain at first, but then I looked up and saw how many people were looking at me, and I just got super embarrassed and left. So I was like, wait, you left after getting hit by a car? And he goes, yeah. So I was like, well, did you at least get the information of the person that hit you? And he goes, nah, I didn't want anyone to see me because of how cringe I probably looked getting hit. But the most funny part is that his bike didn't even work anymore. So he just picked it up and jogged away with it. He's the only person I know who will not react to getting hit by a car just so people think he's